The next numerical that we will discuss, or the last numerical that we will discuss for this chapter, is calculate the molarity of a solution of ethanol in water in which the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040. Okay, we have to assume the density of water to be 1. Now, let us start. The question number is 1.29. Okay, so it is said the mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040. According to the question, mole fraction of ethanol is 0.040, or number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of water is equal to 0.040 according to the question. So, number of moles of ethanol in 1 liter of water will be what? In 1 liter of water, number of moles of water in 1 liter of water will be what? 1 liter means 1000 grams of water by molecular mass of water. Weight by molecular mass. Molecular mass of water is 18. 2 into 1 plus 16, 18. So, number of moles of water in 1 liter of water will be 1000 by 18, which is 55.55 moles. You can calculate in your calculator and check. It's 55.55 moles. So, number of moles of ethanol by number of moles of ethanol plus number of moles of water is equal to 0.040, or number of moles of ethanol by number of moles of ethanol plus 55.55 is equal to 0.040, or number of moles of ethanol is equal to 0.040 into number of moles of ethanol, I hope it's clear, plus 55.55 into 0.040 is equal to 0.040 into number of moles of ethanol plus this multiplied will give us, let it be, let this stay. Now we bring this side. So number of moles of ethanol minus number of moles of ethanol into 0.040 is equal to 55.55. Children, the calculation might seem difficult, but it's actually very easy if you pay attention. Okay, so we take number of moles of ethanol as common. 1 minus 0.040 is equal to 55.55 into 0.040. 1 minus 0.040 is 0.96, or 0.96 into number of moles of ethanol is equal to 55.55 into 0.040, or number of moles of ethanol is 55.55 into 0.040 by 0.96. Answer will be 2.31 moles. So number of moles of ethanol is equal to 2.31 moles dissolved in 1 liter water, or molality of ethanol is equal to 2.31 by 1, because it's liter, so we don't multiply with 1000. 2.31 molality. Sorry, molarity. I'm sorry, molarity of ethanol is 2.31 by 1, which is 2.31 capital M. I'm sorry, capital M. Anyone who did not understand the sum can ping me in my WhatsApp, but this is the sum.